Jai Srimannarayana. 19th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ihaiva tairjitaha sargaha yesham samye स्थितं मनः निर्दोषं हि समं ब्रह्म तस्माद् ब्रह्मणि ते स्थिताः। ॐ Be established in equality. With that, you can get rid of the cycle of birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall let my mind be established in equality. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bharata has done one wonderful yajnam which is known as Mashnaram. In the place of Mashnaram, he has done that yajnam. And then he made charity of 14 lakhs elephants to the Brahmanas. And as and how one cannot touch Swargam, heaven, with his own hands, just like that, Bharatasya mahatkarma na purvena apare nrupaha. Nobody can even imitate what Bharata has done. Bharata has done such a wonderful, great activities. No one ever has done such great activities in the past, and nobody can do that kind of activities in future also. Not only that, he defeated all the Kiratas, Hunas, Yavanas, Poundras, and those who goes against to the Veda Dharmas. In the past, Danavas defeated Devatas and they abducted Devatas' wives and daughters, and they kept them in Rasatalam. So Bharata defeated all the Danavas and brought all of them back and gave them back to Devatas. Like that, Bharata, he has ruled the entire world for 27,000 years, and he spreaded his fame, his orders, his army in all directions, and catered all the needs of all of his people. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 19th sloka. Ihaiva tairjitas sargaha. Yesham samye sthitam manaha. Nirdosham hi samam brahma. Tasmad brahmani te sthitaha. Ihaiva tairjitas sargaha. Yesham samye sthitam manaha. Nirdosham hi samam brahma. Tasmad brahmani te sthitaha. Srimannarayana. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.